So today I will teach you how to make Matar Keema. Though I don't have peas, so it will be only called keema. Keema is minced meat and you cook it with nice spices, Indian spices, and it's hot and spicy. It's much better than the Canadian meat. I don't know how they cook the minced meat, but it's delicious. It's flavorful. So you're gonna heat up 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil on a medium heat. Then what I do is I add a few bay leaves, some cumin seeds, 2 sticks of cinnamon sticks, a few green cardamom, and a bunch of whole black peppers. And I'm also going to add um, red chilies, dried red chilies. So I added few dried red chilies. Let's give this a little whisk, swirl, and it smells really good. So these are dry spices, whole spices. They're gonna bring really good flavor to the meat. I'm going to be cooking this much meat, all of it, into this. So you hear this sound? It's the sound of meat enjoying being sizzled in Indian spices. If your meat doesn't make a sound, it's probably a bad one. You did not add good spices. So my meat always sizzles. I'm going to cook this for about 3, 4, or 5 minutes. Just have it light brown. That's it. I'm not going to cook it too much because this needs to be cooked in spices, sauce, and a bit of yogurt later on. Right now, this is just the first, the first process of cooking. There are 2 processes involved. So then you're going to take some oil, put some cumin seeds in it, and then fry chopped onions until they are golden brown. That I have set aside, so it's okay. I think I'm going to cover it. So the onions are nice, translucent, and lightly golden. Next, you'll take your ginger, garlic, and green chilies, chop, and then add it to onions. Fry, cook it for 2 or 3 minutes. Then we will add our tomatoes. So this is ready. I'm going to add tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. I'll be cooking this for about 5 or 6 minutes. See, it's coming out nicely. Now I'm going to add spices, salt, some ground black pepper, curry powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and then turmeric. Mix it nicely, and then let's cook the sauce and spices for about 2 or 3 minutes. It will absorb all the flavors. So our paste sauce is ready, and I'm going to add our meat now. Oh, mix it well together, and then we will add half cup of warm water, lukewarm. Mix it together nicely. Then cover the lid and cook it on low heat for about 30 or 45 minutes. Smells really good. So it's cooked. The meat is not raw. Our last step is to add some fresh cilantro. Sorry, I'm using the same plate. The mirror has answered. Rowena, how are you not dead? Yes. No. Something in between. Sorry, I'm watching Snow White and the Huntsman. Something like that. So it's ready, and I'm going to taste it. This is sinful, Asif. How can you make a Matar Keema like this? Ah.